Walking up the gentle slope from Zojoji Temple, you can walk to Tokyo Tower. The path surrounded by greenery is pleasant to walk on. We have arrived at Tokyo Tower. Tokyo Tower opened in 1958 as a radio tower. At 333 meters tall, it was the tallest freestanding steel tower in the world at the time of its construction. Today, it is a symbol of Tokyo and is designated as a tangible cultural property of Japan. To go up to the observation deck of Tokyo Tower, purchase an admission ticket at the ticket counter. The observation deck is open until 11 p.m., so you can also enjoy the night view of Tokyo.